Hey there, Food for Life family! Welcome back to another episode where we explore delicious recipes from around the globe. Today we're diving into a delightful Afghan classic, mash palaow, or mung beans brown rice. This dish is close to my heart, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Let's get started! Before we jump into the cooking, let's grab 1 cup rice and 1/2 cup of mung beans and give them a good rinse. This helps remove any excess starch from the rice and any dust or grit from the beans. Then, let them soak for at least 4 hours. This step is crucial to achieving a perfect, fluffy consistency in our rice and tender beans. Alright, now that our rice and beans are ready, let's get cooking. In a separate pot, or use same pot over high heat, add your mung beans with enough water to cover them. Let them simmer until they're almost tender, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures they're soft but won't fall apart during the rest of the cooking. Next, in a separate pot, or use same pot over high heat, add your rice with enough water to cover them. I am using hot water for both beans and rice. Let them simmer until they're almost soft but not too soft, which should take about 8 to 10 minutes. The rice will be ready first since it softens quickly. Drain the rice first. Then the beans. Next, on a pot, add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/3 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt and change its color to brown. Now carefully add 1/2 cup of water and cover it with lid quickly because it will splash. Next, add 1/2 cup of oil, followed by 1½ teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture well so that the salt dissolves all the way. Now it's time to toss the drained rice and mung beans. Add them into the pot and stir them like so. Finally, sprinkle a teaspoon of rice masala over the top. This is where the magic really happens, guys. This spice blend is the key to achieving that aromatic, authentic Afghan essence. Don't worry if you don't have it. You can use a mix of cumin, coriander, and cardamom to get a similar flavor. Let it all simmer, covered, for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it and give it an occasional stir to make sure everything's cooking evenly and not sticking to the bottom of the pot. While that's cooking, let me share some serving suggestions. Mash palaow is traditionally served with flatbread or a fresh salad on the side. Feel free to get creative and add your touch. Isn't it fascinating how mash palaow ties into the fabric of Afghan cuisine? It's simple, hearty, and it's a dish that unites families and friends over the dinner table. I'd love to hear your cultural cooking stories, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. If you tried making this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you. Better yet, share a picture and tag me on social media. Before you head out, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and culturally rich recipes every week. Your support means the world to me and keeps the Food for Life community growing. Thank you so much for tuning in today and cooking with me. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll explore another exciting dish. Until then, take care and happy cooking.
Like and subscribe.